Hidden behind towering private gates in the rolling coastal hills of San Juan Capistrano lies a property that whispers, or rather boldly declares, a different architectural lineage. A sprawling 4-acre compound that feels less like a California tract home and more like a Hamptons estate that decided to spend its winters in the Mediterranean. Approaching the manor, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer commitment to materials. This isn't stucco pretending to be stone. It is a facade clad in authentic limestone, crowned with a slate roof and accented by copper gutters that will only look better with age. The design language is a sophisticated blend of classic East Coast shingle style and European manor elegance. Passing under the porte-cochere, you enter a world of deliberate grandeur. The foyer is a showstopper, dominated by a floating circular staircase that spirals up toward a domed ceiling and skylight, bathing the slate floors below in natural light. Inside, the details continue to impress. We're talking wood truss ceilings that give the dining room a cathedral-like atmosphere, and imported hand-carved stone fireplaces that anchor the communal spaces. The kitchen has been reimagined with a modern Italian edge, featuring Padini cabinetry and book-matched marble that creates a striking contrast to the home's traditional bones. For the outdoorsy type, the grounds are botanical adventure. You can cross a bridge over a 33,000-gallon koi pond to reach a romantic gazebo, wander through your own olive grove, or tend to the secret garden. To call this a house is a bit of an understatement. It is a fully operational sanctuary. The lifestyle here is defined by autonomy. Why leave for the gym when you have a fitness center overlooking a reflection pond? Why drive to the office when you have a separate executive workspace? The estate includes a guest house that rivals most main residences. Clocking in at over 5,000 square feet, it boasts a billiards hall and its own full living quarters. And because this is San Juan Capistrano, the property is zoned for equestrian use, meaning you can convert the massive auxiliary structures into stables for up to 4 horses.